Y'all, why does this look like my real hair? This is giving scalp. This is giving frontal. But she's not a frontal. She's a 4x4 closure. This is a 4x4 closure wig. What?
How much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah.
So today we are installing the Nadula's 4x4 Jerry Curl Closure Wig. It's 150% in density and she is 24 inches. This is what she's giving us straight out the package. As you guys can see, it's nice and full. The curls are bouncy, they're juicy, they're just everything I need in this life of sin. But anyway, y'all, this is the closure portion. I love how small the knots are. This is definitely giving us HD, so I'm sure this is an HD closure. But this is the overall construction of this unit. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I bleach the knots, how I pluck the closure, how I actually install this wig, and my easy and quick curly hair routine. So we're going to start off by bleaching the knots. I'm just going to go ahead and grab my Blond Brillance developer along with the powder. And then I'm going to take a scoop of that. And then we're going to take about, we're going to take a scoop of the powder and about 2 to 3 cups, capfuls of the developer. And we're going to mix it until we get like a toothpaste consistency or something a little bit thicker. Okay. The thicker you make it, the longer it will take the process. Do be mindful of that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spread the bleach all throughout the hair. I do like my bleach thick, so it will be more concentrated on the knots. So once we get done spreading this all over the lace, I'm gonna take some foil and line it. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes, but I'm gonna keep eyeing it and I'm gonna add more time if need be. So this is what the hair looks like after I have washed and conditioned it, baby. These curls are so beautiful. My wig say, nope. She didn't want to sit up. Girl, sit your head up. So now I'm just going in to pluck the unit, okay? I'm just going to do every other section. I hope the visual adds to what I'm saying because it's really hard to explain plucking. I just do plucking to thin out the lace just a little bit. Like I said, Nadula always do a great job always does a great job when it comes down to plucking the unit. So you don't have to do this step. So now we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. So this is what my unit looks like once I've air dried it overnight. So this is the next day. So we're gonna go ahead and fix the part. The part can, well, it did get lost in the sauce when I went in to wash the hair, but it comes with a part, so just straighten her back up. Now, I know sometimes the units can come off like jet black on camera, but they're actually, in my personal opinion, a taupe. So do be mindful. It's like a brown color. It's not giving jet black. But anyway, y'all, I'm going in with my wax stick to lay down this closure. I love to do this before I install it, just so I won't be burning my forehead. So with my hot combs, I love when it comes down to virgin hair units, I always have them on the highest heating setting because I want that laid look. I want everything laid to the gods. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb everything. Make sure you're getting all angles, especially if you want the closure to be super duper flat. You can work in sections as well. Now I'm just going in to cut off the extra lace. I'm just going to create jagged edges. I don't like cutting straight across because it looks blunt, it looks harsh. So this is what she's giving once the rest of the lace is cut off. We're going to pull it down on my forehead and boom. Okay, y'all, I did not tint the lace. I just bleached the knots and that's it. So I'm going in with my got2b glue spray. As you guys can see, I'm using my finger and pushing in the product back into my hairline. When it comes to closures, I like to do the install all in one setting because it's super duper easy. If you're a beginner, you can just do left side, right side, and you'll be still done. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just touching on that product still to make sure it's nice and tacky. Be sure to have your dryer on a cool heating setting or your product that got2b glue will turn white underneath of there, and no. Okay. I'm also making sure that I pull and stretch my lace as far as it can go, just so it can lay super duper flat, but also give me that frontal effect. So if I see that anything is still lifting up, I just go back in with a little bit more product, make sure it's tacky and lay it down. As you guys can see here, I'm just gonna pull it. Y'all see how I'm stretching that? You want to stretch it as far as it is as it can go. So yeah, I'm just taking my finger to help reinforce that as well. So we're just gonna go in with a little bit of cream foundation to give it a little bit of oomph. Like I said, towards the outside, I can see it looks a little whitish where I probably put too much product at. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend it in like that. Now I'm just gonna take my elastic band and cover it up. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna part at an angle and create some baby hairs. I've been loving this method because I just love how it looks. Y'all, look at that. Y'all can't tell me that this is not my real hair because this looks like straight scalp. This is giving me, baby, this is my hair. You can't tell me it's not. I just shook it, y'all. I'm just shook it, okay? But anyway, we're just gonna pull this section up and I'm gonna create the other baby hair on the other side as well. Now I'm just gonna go in with this glueless liquid product. Y'all, I will have it in the description section because I'll be forgetting what this stuff be called. But I'm just gonna do this to swoop my little edges. This looks so freaking good. Now with curly hair, I love doing baby hairs with curly hairs because I feel like it just naturally curls on its own. I'm trimming it to my liking because sometimes they be too big, but we're just gonna keep swooping to perfection. But look how good this looks, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing. And now that both baby hairs are done, look at this. She looks so pretty. Look at this hair. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going in to define the middle part. If your part is not defined, it's a wig, okay? It's giving wig. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go in and style it today. Like I said, normally I just do my installs and just wear the hair either in the middle part, side part, color the day. But I said, let me try doing some braids. So, y'all, I'm not a beast at braids. I used to braid like no other back in the day, but I've lost the touch since I've been working with these wigs. So, don't come for my braids. I did the best that I could, all right? Once I finished braiding that, I did go ahead and wrap a rubber band around the end just to secure it. This looks good. Look at his scalp. But yeah, y'all, I wanted to try like a space bun look, so I just started like doing something up there. but I didn't know how that looked. I'm like, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid this other side. Y'all know how it is when you try new styles and the style has to grow on you, because it'll be like, you'll get your hair done in a new style, you'll be like, ew, and then by the end of the day you be like, girl, this style is fire. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. That's how I am with new styles. And I feel like this style looked better with the poofier look versus me defining the curls. Should I have left it like this, y'all? Poofy and just, I don't know. I feel like it just looked 10 times better like this for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me watching it back. But anyway, y'all see me trying these little spacey bun thingies again. I don't know. Do the other one. And let's see how we look. I don't know, y'all, if I like that. Do y'all like that? Or it just look crazy? I took them down anyway, so y'all don't even say nothing. It look crazy. But anyway, y'all, since I didn't know how that looked, I just thought to define the hair. So this is my curly hair routine portion of the video. I'm just using my ORS foam wrap lotion. That's what I like to call it. And I'm just going to define the entire wig with that product. You can use water as well to save you more product and then put the foam wrap lotion on. But I just use the rest that I had because, I don't know, I love this stuff. So this is pretty much the end of my video, guys. Like I said, my curly hair routine is super duper easy because it's just using pretty much one product, and it doesn't weigh down the hair, but it defines the hair enough. So this routine would be perfect for those looking to keep the natural density in the unit, meaning it's thicker, it's fuller, the curls aren't as defined. But if you're looking for something thinner and denser, I would say use gel or mousse because it will weigh down the hair, also defining the curls a little bit more. So be mindful when purchasing the hair. Don't be like, I know I always get that every time I do curly hair, someone buys the hair and be like, my hair wasn't as thick or it wasn't as thin as yours. Y'all got to be mindful of the products that I'm using. If I want it to be thick, I have to use water and I have to use lightweight products such as foam wrap lotions. If I want it to be more thinner and less dense and more defined, I have to use a gel or a mousse. So I really hope I cleared that up. So yeah, that is pretty much all to this video. So yeah, I really enjoyed this unit, y'all. All information in regards to this hair will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see ya later. Bye, guys. And yes, this is my real hair for the record. It's like, I'm just kidding.